Smart Window by Drutex. Modern and advanced homes have more and more interactive surfaces. However, only one company has thought of turning a window into a touchscreen. The Polish brand Drutex has been one of the European leaders in the window industry. Now, the company offers an innovative and revolutionary product. Smart Window is a multifunctional device, which in addition to fulfilling the functions of a window, works as a touchscreen too. The user can use it to check the temperature, call a taxi or order food. An additional advantage is that Smart Window saves space. You can watch videos in the window without having to install a TV in the room. The transparency of the surface is controlled with a slider, so you don't even have to buy curtains or blinds. At work, the window can be used to make presentations or view tables, documents, and graphics. In addition, Smart Window gives new possibilities to retail stores, as now, advertising can be placed directly on the window. Bretta House. Houses that are assembled in a factory and installed directly in the designated area are nothing new. However, companies all over the world continue to develop and improve this type of construction. The brand Bretta House from Latvia has introduced these folding houses. Their main advantage is that they take up almost no space. As you can guess, this simplifies the transportation process. Installation takes only 3 hours too. The durability of the hinges is about 100 working cycles, i.e., a house of this type can be folded after some time and transported to another location. The manufacturers offer several models, with a living area of 22 to 47 square meters. Klapster. What at first glance looks like a strange wall decoration, in fact is an amazing folding ladder from the German company Klapster. The advantage of the design, as you may have noticed, is that it doesn't take up space when not in use. It sticks out only a couple of centimeters from the wall. Klapster takes space-saving ideas to a whole new level. At the same time, it's strong, reliable, moderately large, and comfortable to use. The manufacturer offers 3 models. The Comfort model with comfortable steps 18.5 centimeters deep. The Slim model, a more compact staircase with 13 centimeter steps. And of course, the Ultralight model, ideal for narrow spaces since the steps are only 10 centimeters deep. CG Partner. Contemporary houses built for recreation away from civilization tend to look quite original and unusual. But the house you see on your screen stands out from all the others. It's compact in size, and only the most essential items fit inside it. The roof is large and very sloped to distribute the weight of the snow evenly. The designer has saved space by turning the second floor into a car shed. The creator of the project is the 3D architecture studio CG Partner from South Korea. Binishell System B. The most loyal fans of our channel probably think that they've already seen everything about building technologies. However, we found something that will surprise you. Take a look at the houses developed by the American company Binishells, which are built in a very unusual way. First of all, pay attention to their rounded shape, as the roof and the walls are subtly joined together, creating a solid and unique surface. With traditional construction methods, this would be difficult, if not almost impossible to achieve. This is why the following concept was invented. First, a large, strong plastic bubble is inflated at the construction site. Its shape is similar to that of the future home. Then, this bubble is covered with a flexible reinforcement. In the future, it'll give the structure extra strength. Finally, a layer of concrete is placed over the reinforcement and the bubble. When the material dries and hardens, the bubble is deflated. The building is ready to be finished on the outside and inside. Its creators claim that compared to traditional houses, these require 50% less building materials, are twice as cheap, are built much faster, and require fewer workers. Duffy London. If during your childhood you liked swinging on the swing, you can still enjoy this activity as an adult. At least that's what the specialists at the company Duffy London believe. Fortunately, now you can turn a desk or dining table into a swing. The chairs are suspended by chains in a metal frame, to which a lamp and the table are also attached. By the way, it can also be a swing bar. Unfortunately, it won't be possible to swing like on a regular swing, but the result is still impressive. Canopy stair. Here we have another construction that takes us directly back to childhood. Many of us like to climb trees, but we didn't imagine that as adults, we'd do so without hurting our arms and legs. Canopy stair is a spiral staircase which can be installed directly on the trunk of a tree. It can lead to a small tree house or simply to a large, comfortable branch. The structure can be installed without tools and doesn't damage the tree at all. OS block. Here is an innovative building material that will save you time and money. OS block has been created in Canada. These are blocks with a built-in layer of insulation. They're lightweight, environmentally friendly, and allow you to erect buildings quickly and easily, as if you were just playing with Lego. The material is equally suitable for residential and non-residential buildings, such as garages, warehouses, and even stores. Dollar Boston. House stairs don't have to be heavy, expensive, or difficult to install. The specialists of the Danish company Dollar have invented an amazing modular staircase. The model is called the Boston. It's light, can be assembled in a few hours by hand, and requires a few tools. Cabin Anna. It may seem surprising, but today's last project is all about love. In 2016, Kasper Scholes built a very unusual garden shed for his mother. She loved to spend time outdoors, so the house has a sliding structure. Its roof is not fixed to the frame either. Instead, the architect attached it to special rails. Thanks to this, the roof can be moved aside to enjoy the blue sky without leaving the house. The frame is also mobile, so it can be pulled aside if necessary. This very interesting house aroused great interest in the media and won several prestigious design awards. Therefore, Kasper Scholes decided to turn his idea into a commercial project. The house is called Anna. Nowadays, you can visit the model houses, and you can also order your own house with a sliding roof. It's relatively small, so it can be installed almost anywhere. The more picturesque the place, the better. You can even install the house on a water reservoir with a hatch in the floor to have the opportunity to go for a swim at any time.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this